All right, so when we're multiplying mixed numbers and whole numbers, this example is actually two mixed numbers, but they follow the same steps. We're going to convert all mixed numbers and whole numbers into improper fractions. Then we're going to cross cancel if we can. Then we're going to multiply the numerator times the numerator, the denominator times the denominator, and finally we're going to simplify. All right, so first, convert into improper fraction. So 1/4 becomes 5/9 times 3 and 2/3 becomes 11/3. All right. Now, okay, so I converted both into improper fraction. Now I'm going to cross cancel if I can, and I can. I cross cancel 9 and 3. So it becomes 3, and that becomes 1. So my problem becomes 3 times 11 over 5 times 1. So I'm multiplying the numerator times the numerator, denominator times the denominator, and I get 33 fifths. All right. The last step, simplify. So 33 fifths equals 6 and 3 fifths. All right, step one, or example one. Now we're going to do a couple more examples. So if you click on the sides, we'll have all this laid out for you. All right, so letter A, we have 3 1/3 times 7. So not two mixed numbers, but we're going to treat that whole number just like a mixed number and convert it to an improper fraction. So 3 1/3 becomes 3 times 3 is 9, 10/3 times, and 7 as a fraction would be 7 over 1. All right, so I can't cross cancel anything here, but it's simple enough to multiply. So 7 times 10 is 70, and then 3 times 1 is 3. All right, so now I'm gonna have to do division to convert that improper fraction into that improper fraction into a mixed number. So 70 divided by 3, 3 goes into 72 times, 6. 1, 10 goes into 10 3 times, 9, 1. So I have a remainder of 1. So 73rds, 23 whole. Remainder of 1's my numerator. My denominator stays the same as 3. All right, so 23 and the third. All right, letter B. All right, so now I have two mixed numbers. Well, once again, same steps. Convert both into improper fractions. So I got 12 fifths times 65 sixths. Right? On this one, I can cross cancel. I can cross out all four of them. So 12 and 6, the common factor is 6. So I'm going to divide both by 6, and I get 2. That becomes 1. And 5 and 65, 5 is the common factor, so both divided by 5, and that would be 1. 65 divided by 5 would be 13. All right, so now my problem becomes 2 times 13 over 1 times 1. All right, and then I actually made a mistake. Let me go back. I just noticed that. I cross canceled that 6 wrong because what did I? Oh, I did this whole wrong. So I'm gonna start over real quick. I don't know what I was thinking. That's not 12 fifths. So 5 and 2 fifths. 5 times 5 is 25. That'd be 27 fifths. I did a little bit of a mistake there. All right, 27 fifths times 5. That is 45 6. So but I can still cross cancel and reduce all four numbers. So 5 and 45. 5 is a common factor. That's 13. I can't. 6 is not a common factor of 27, but 3 is a common factor of both. So we divide both by 3, and I get 27 divided by 3 is 9. And 6 divided by 3 is 2. And then so that gives me 9 times 13 over 1 times 2. All right, so 9 times 13 over 2 over 1 times 2 gives me 9 times 13. 9 times 10 is 90. 9 times 3 is 27. 90, 117. Halves. Okay, and then I'm going to simplify. I'm going to do division. 117 halves. I'm going to do it right here. 17 divided by 2 goes 5. 17. 2 goes into 17. 8 times. So that equals 58 and 1